iPhone call busy problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve if iPhone says call busy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been trying to place a call but it simply says call busy, this could be happening due to many reasons. First is that the person you're calling might already be on the phone with someone else, and that's why you're having this issue. It just means that that person might be busy, so you can try calling other people to confirm if it's the issue with your phone or that if they are still on the call with someone else. The other reason is that someone else is also calling the number at the same time, or the number is calling out, or the other line was left off hook. Now, other thing you can try to do is just simply try to check your network settings by going to settings and going to the cellular option here, checking all of your connections and stuff. Then after that, check if you have enabled do not disturb mode. Now I'm only enabling do not disturb mode so that I have to record the video, but if you have do not disturb mode, that could also be one of the issues. Make sure that flight mode is also disabled and that you have got enough balance. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.